welcome back to our channel Chat Chop Slay. I'm Vidhi.
And I'm Nidhi, and today we bring something from the Slay department wherein we're going to share our top 5 fashion buys, hits or misses.
So these are the outfits we have totally loved, hated or overworn or just wanted to return back. Basically total honesty incoming.
And of course, the drama is incomplete without our all-time favorite critic. Drum roll. So how we are going to do this is, you can see all our outfits here. These are our top 5 picks, 5 hers, 5 mine. Mine is actually 6, but I'll get to that later. So what we are going to do is, we are going to rate it whether it's a hit or miss for the other person's buy, right? So let's get started. So the first dress is this. It's a wraparound shirt dress kind of a thing. I love everything about this dress. The kind of slit it has, and then the sleeves, I like a good full sleeve dress. And this belt that's around the waist, that just makes my body look better. I have worn it a lot of times, honestly.
What I feel, this dress which I had only bought for you from Myntra Forward. I really love Myntra Forward and I really like this. Lily told me one day she wants to go for an event and she doesn't have a dress. So I really like this dress and I ordered, and this is really a hit.
And the critique man rates it up.
Next is this basic black top that I have. I love the sleeve so much. This perfect rouge full sleeve top. One, it's black. Absolutely love it. I can just style it in so many different ways and it still looks awesome. So yeah.
You know what I'll say you, this top is good, like it's basic, but this top you wear it everywhere. To parties, to your office, to like samne ka dukaan or tailor ka dukaan, wherever she'll wear this top. So I'll give it a neutral.
I absolutely love this top. I remember I bought this from H&M and it's a true gem. I can, yeah, like she said, I wear it everywhere because I can wear it everywhere.
And the critique man rates it up.
Next is this pistachio green dress. It is very cute, has this floral print and a very subtle button towards the back and a very good length, and it's very comfortable to wear, guys. Like, I can't even say. Wear it with the heels, wear it with sneakers, whatsoever, and it still remains that cute, So yeah, I love it.
You know what? Like right now it's summer, so I think it's really a nice, comfortable dress for summer. And I don't know why I personally didn't like it that much. Like, you see the prints are also nice, but to be honest, I have worn this dress once with a back belt here. Like there was a small bag and a belt. So I think I would give it a miss, maybe. Not a neutral, not a hit, but miss maybe. Because I worn this dress and I think it was looking good on me. But somehow I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know it.
And the critique man rates it up.
So another dress, this one is in lilac or lavender color. I haven't worn it even once, still has the tag, but I do plan to wear it soon. It's a little short, but it's very cute. And this tie-up thing, whatever the belt going on, it's really cute. And Didi had only bought this for me, so
This I love again from Myntra Forward. I really love Forward, Myntra Forward. Myntra is fine, but Forward is amazing. Yeah, so I really love it. I think she's never worn it. It still has a tag on it because she feels that it's very short for her. But I think I'm going to wear this and make a reel. So I would give it a hit.
And the critique man rates it up.
2,000 years later.
Next is this suit that I had bought, and I wear a lot of suits and I really like it. This is a three-piece suit, comes with a pant and this amazing dupatta that actually made me buy it. And it is really, the color is stunning. It is just same as the picture.
I think mostly I personally don't wear Indian. I don't know why. Like I can wear, but I feel okay. I can wear Western also now. But this Nidhi, I still remember, had bought it from Amazon, and when this came, like I think she bought it for a very cheap price, around 700. So I was thinking, बहुत ही अच्छा नहीं होगा. But when it came, just see the quality of the fabric. It is so amazing and it looks so classy, you know. Even when she wore it to office, and I think Gurudwara once and people asked her about, especially the dupatta. See the fabric. See the quality. I don't know, you cannot check the quality because you're not touching and feeling it, but it is really nice, and I think if you accessorize and wear this, it's going to look very classy. So I definitely give it a super hit. This is not in our list, but I give it a super hit. This is amazing in such cheap price. So I think we can give this link in the description box. You guys can also go and check out. This is an amazing product.
So you know, I loved it so much that I got another one just in a different color. This is slightly darker than this, but I love it. The
This is
dupatta
like
is
little serial type. They wear the same clothing but different color in the morning, in the evening. Same clothing, different color.
No guys, but let me tell you, the dupatta for this is much cottony than this.
Yeah,
This has an organza feel.
Yeah.
But the kurta, and also it comes with a matching pajama.
Okay, let me just rate this. I think I would give it a miss because I like this more, and it's the same thing overall. No pattern change, so I think I miss. This is a super.
The dupatta is a different pattern though.
Still, I'll go for this.
And the critique man rates Siddha.
And now it's my turn. Starts with this amazing, very flowy dress from Street Style Store, which I had bought like 5 years back. I don't know why Nidhi is trying to see from the screen. See how she's looking just at the screen. You need to look back anyway. So this is just a flowy dress. I love wearing this when the weather is windy so that ये लहराते रहे. ये ड्रेस काफ़ी रीजनेबल थी और ये इतना साल होने के बावजूद भी ये स्टिल शाइन कर रहा है. आप देख सकते हो ये स्टिल शाइन कर रहा है. So I just love it.
Guys, I have seen her wear this too many times now. If you probably go check her Instagram out, usually at least 2 reels in the same dress. Not saying that you cannot repeat clothes, but I'm not a very big fan of these kind of this African mama kind of dresses. I don't really. I will also share a picture here to put in what I mean by this dress. I am not a fan. I have rated it neutral because I don't hate it because I like the stripes, I like the color, I like the color combination, but yeah.
And the critique man rates Siddha.
And this amazing yet another old dress I had bought when I had first visited Mumbai and went to this 3-story Zara building, which is no longer there in Mumbai, I guess. But this is an amazing dress. I still love it. It still looks new to me. I have worn this a lot many times and I totally love it.
Guys, I have rated it a hit because you know this is one dress, like she said, she bought it like years ago from Zara, and no wonder you know Zara is Zara because this dress still remains. It survived.
I think it's like 2014 or 15 I got it.
Yeah, it's been more than 10 years, I'll be very honest.
And the quality, like, there's not even a single bubble on it. Also, I have kept it very nicely.
Oh yeah, I am not capable. So the same time when she bought this, I had also bought a couple of clothes, but I don't even remember what I did buy, and I don't know what it is.
And the critique man rates Siddha.
this beautiful dress again from Street Style store. I had totally loved it when I bought it. I wore it once. The body fit was amazing, but the cup size was not exactly fitting. So I did not tear off the tag. I thought I would return it, but then I totally fell in love with it. This pattern, this slit, this tie up thing, and this whole. I'll show you the fabric of this dress. I really like it. It's very unique. So I decided to keep it.
Guys, honestly, this is a big miss from my side. Because see, like she said, she bought from Street Style store. I absolutely love Street Style store. I like the texture of the dress. I like the pattern that is there. But honestly, two major things I don't like. One, it's a very hassle-full dress. Okay, it is. Second, the cups don't fit. It is a...
That is true.
It is a XS, guys. It did buy an XS. Like what? That is her size, but it doesn't fit the cup.
No.
It looks empty. It looks saggy. It looks really bad.
Like
so
my breasts don't fit in this whole pattern. I have
the
to
cup
stuff
size
it.
is bigger. So yeah, total miss.
And the critique man rates Sita.
What? I really love this skirt, especially the print on this skirt makes it look so vibrant and so pretty. I prefer wearing this on summer days with a white or a pink top. I had already worn it on my birthday morning and I really love it. You can't even believe how much did I get it for. It is a very reasonable thing.
Guys, I absolutely love it. One, because we got it for as low as 100 rupees from Sarojini. Second, it's pink, of course. And the third thing, which is the main thing, I have seen such skirts on Pinterest. Big hit. It covers the entire Pinterest vibe and she looks amazing. So, yeah.
And you know what? I love Sarojini. Nothing can beat Sarojini. No H&M, Zara, nothing. Whatever you can get Sarojini is just like...
Wow!
This dress is like my very bachpan ka dress. Oh, I'm holding it ulta. Yeah, this is a tube dress. I call it a fish scale dress because it has like a fish scales on the dress. If I show you, just see. And it's a very micro mini dress. I wore it a lot many times bachpan mein, but abhi I don't use it much.
Guys, here's my review. This again is a dress from a previous life, I feel. This she had bought from Nepal, if I'm not wrong, when Papa was
Yes,
there.
you're correct.
And this is like around 15 years back. Of course, the quality, 10 out of 10 for quality, but it's very outdated, guys. I mean, just throw it away. Get something in return.
It's like a poo dress.
It's not a poo dress, it's like a boo dress. It's done now.
And the critique man rates Sita.
That was it, guys. Our top 5 fashion buys. Some were like totally slay and some why did we will be.
So tell us in the comments which outfit did you like or hate, or which fashion regret did you make like these.
Anyway, guys, ending this video here. But for the next one, please let us know if you would want our critic man to style us both. You know, he styles and we suffer.
So please like, share, subscribe to Chat Chop Slay.
Bye bye.
I'm sure you loved the video. So please like, comment, share and subscribe to Chat Chop Slay.
And hit the notification button. And don't forget to hit the bell button so that you don't miss out any content from our channel. Bye bye.